Victoria, I'm a tasty producer. Today, I've been challenged to take a common food and make it fancy. The rules are, you must completely use the food given. I hope you guys give me something good. You can only add to the food. You can buy whatever ingredients you wish. Once you begin cooking, you must complete upgraded a dish in 30 minutes. Let's see what I have to make fancy this time. Drum roll? I don't know. Box mac and cheese. Actually, I've never had box mac and cheese before.
What?
In order to make it fancy, I have to try it first. Can somebody make it for me and can I try this? It's very suspiciously yellow. Let me taste it. I have to chew. It's good, but I want to make it better. That's turmeric. Turmeric is very fancy ingredient, so I'm gonna just make it and call it fancy. Bye. Right, here's what I got. Panko, thyme, parsley, shallot, garlic, and lobsters. And also things from pantry, milk, sherry, veggie blocks, butter, tomato paste, and flour. Let's get started. Make it fancy. So I set up my station. In order to make everything go smoothly, I set up 3 stoves. 30 minutes start now. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start boiling water. I'm going to make bechamel, which is white sauce. It's one of a mother sauce in French cuisine. 2 tablespoons of butter. Heat up 2 cups of milk. I'm going to cut garlic. It's a 2 tablespoons of flour. So you have to make sure it's low heat so flour is absorbing all the fat. Then you are going to add heated milk. When I tasted mac and cheese, it was very strong flavor, so I kind of want to neutralize it. Usually you don't add garlic for classic bechamel, but I think it's gonna be a good kick to the thing I'm making right now. Meanwhile, I'm gonna toast some panko, and I'm adding thyme. So when I was eating the box mac and cheese, it was just like same texture over and over. I wanted to make something crunchy on top. So bechamel looks good. You can test with spatula, just run your finger, and this is done. So I'm toasting panko, it's getting nice color. So I think it's ready. I'm gonna set this aside. I almost have 20 minutes, which is great, but I'm nervous because I'm talking and cooking at the same time, so like I'm gonna just keep doing stuff. I got lobsters. So lobster is not as expensive as I thought. We found as cheap as $4 per lobster tail, but it's still fancy, right? I chose lobster because it's cooked super quickly. So I'm going to put in hot water as soon as it changes color. I'm gonna take it out, which is 2 to 3 minutes. So lobster is cooked. I almost have 16 minutes left. I think I can make it within 30 minutes, but I'm not sure. I'm going to cut shallot while lobster is cooling down.
What's the difference between a shallot and an onion?
Shallot is milder than onion, so it doesn't have a sharp flavor. So I'm just winging it. I'm making sauce American, but I'm just like doing some shortcut. I'm going to deshell. Wait, scissors. So you're kind of inserting scissors inside of the shell. Break with your hand. It's a little bit sharp, so you can use towel like that. Oil. I'm going to add shallot. And I just decided to use the water that I boiled oyster because it smells so good. And the lobster shell goes in. It will give a good flavor. You're going to add tomato paste. It's gonna be the fun part. I'm gonna flambe. Flambe is not scary at all. Just make sure nothing around it flammable. So I'm raising the temperature of the heat. It's stirring it. Flambe, fancy. The reason we have flambe is just remove this alcohol flavor. If you don't want to do flambe, that's totally fine. Just high heat, bring it to a boil so alcohol evaporates. I just use sherry, but if you don't have sherry, you can use brandy. I'm just winging it. So like I'm gonna just add veggie broth, probably like a half cup. And then I'm going to cook macaroni in it. Where is it? So the package said it's cooked 7 to 8 minutes, and I'm gonna just do 4 minutes and see the texture because I don't want to overcook it. I'm gonna add more veggie broth because it's already cooking a little. Make sure this is a little loose. While it's going, I'm going to chop lobster, just like bite sides. Let's check the tenderness of the macaroni. I'm gonna stop cooking because it's al dente. It's a little hard right now. And bechamel is heating up, so I'm going to add a cheese packet. Wow, it's very yellow. Powdered cheese, it's a little weird, but it's dissolving very well. I'm going to take off shell, which is super easy because like this shell is big. I'm going to add this in here. Let me check the flavor. It's very nice. A little bit nervous about time because I've never made a box mac and cheese before.
What? Oh my god, it's like one of my favorite foods. When I was in college, I used to make it when I was drunk and eat it on the couch out of the pot. Still do it actually, nothing's changed.
Okay, I'm gonna keep going because it's cooking. Oh, it's heavy. Just sprinkle some lobster on top. Put some panko on top. And I'm gonna just bake in the oven. Just refresh it because everything is cooked. I have 2 minutes left and I'm gonna just cook it until timer goes off. And maybe I'm gonna chop some parsley, you know? Like I have 2 minutes, let's do that. So I have 5 seconds left, so I'm gonna just sprinkle parsley and we are done. I made it in 30 minutes. It was like a sprint. I'm gonna try this and I have a feeling it's gonna be very decadent and rich and delicious. Nice lobster chunk. I made lobster mac and cheese. Do you wanna try?
I do.
But here's the thing.
What?
You have to do a dance.
No. No, I don't.
Make it fancy. Just do it.
All right, if I like it, I'll dance. How about that?
Okay, that's good.
You know, just like when you're venturing around Italy and you see that like couple getting like a nice plate of something, you ask the waiter, I'll have what they're having. This is like the thing that they're having that you're like, let me get some too.
Did I make it fancy?
Girl, you know you made it fancy. Make it fancy.
Here I go. Okay.
So here's my favorite tasty producer.
No, your favorite friend.
Okay.
Wow, you made box mac and cheese fancy.
So you know how we do. Make it fancy. You're going for seconds. Thirds.
Make it fancy.
Yeah! Yes! It seems like everyone loved it. I totally encourage you to make it at home. If you make it, tag me on Instagram, show me your dish, and show me your dance. Make it fancy.
This dish deserves its own song.
What kind of song?
Lobster,
Lobster,
mac and cheese.
mac and cheese.
Look at Alex trying to be Beyonce and re-age food. Get out of here.